Hello, in this video we will try to understand what is Postman collections, what is use of Postman collection, how to import and export Postman collection, and how to share it with your team members. Here on screen you can see a Postman UI. On top left you will find a collections option, and in collections option you will find this Technocrat collection tutorial on your screen. So this is a sample collection which I have created for this training purpose. So you can see under this collection there are multiple requests. These are API request. So simply you can understand collection as a folder which contains different requests. So we can say that collection are used for organizing and classifying API request. Real-time example in your project for using collection can be like you can have a different collection for every sprint for QA and developers, and you can also have collections for different projects, and you can have collection for different microservices. For example, in case of e-commerce you can have collection for product related APIs, a different collection for checkout related APIs. So this is all about Postman collections and use of Postman collections. Now let's see how to create a Postman collection. On your screen near collections option, you can find this small plus like icon or an add icon. This button is basically for creating new collections. Simply click on this icon and your new collection is getting created. You have to name your collection. I can name it sample API for this tutorial and just hit enter. Your collection is created, but you can see this collection is empty. So we can start adding requests to this collection. So Postman will give you prompt to add requests right from here, or another option is to click on this option, 3 dots, and then click on add request. So sample get API can be your first request, and then you will have URL. Let me copy this sample URL just for representation. And once you have your request URI method selected, get put post as per your project's document, all the parameters, you can just click on save, and now you can see that collection has one request. So in any microservice, in any API or any sprint, you can have multiple requests. So just keep on adding under this folder, under this sample API collection. You can also create a subfolder, as you can see here, just in case if you want to more organize your collection. If your collection is growing, scaling too much, you can organize it more by creating folder. Also you can of course delete any API or folder, edit any API or folders. So this is about how to create a collection. Now usually when you work with a team, you will have to share this request with your team members, and sharing only like copy and paste these options maybe not good option. Or there is a new member in your team and you want to share him all the request in your project, or you maybe want to share multiple requests to your team leader or your team member for review. In that case, the simple option is to export a collection and share the collection file. Now let's see how to export a collection. If you go on this dotted 3 dots and find export option, after clicking on export collection you will find this choice to select a version. So don't worry, this version is just about the format of exported file. Version 2.1 is recommended because it is more easy to understand. Postman is trying to create easy to understand export file. So you can select version 2.1 and just click on export. Name your file. I will just name something sample export for now, or sample collection, and save it. you will see this message, your collection was exported successfully. Let's check in file system how this collection has been exported. So here you can see this file is created. Let me open it with editor. Okay, so this is our exported file, and you can see this file is nothing but just a JSON file, and this file has all information which Postman will require to create a collection, to recreate a collection. Now we will import collection which we have just exported. For that purpose I will delete this collection from my workspace, and now on top right corner you will find this import button. Just click on this import button and you can select upload files, sample collection. Okay, and just click on import. Here you can see that collection is created successfully. Even our documents and requests are created the way we exported them. So this way you can export your collection and share the JSON file with your team members. So there are two options: share collection, export collection, and both has some differences. Share collection with link is not secure, so avoid using this option. If you are in same workspace or if you want to share in company workspace, you can go with this option. And second option is to use export, which we just demonstrated. Hope you understood this video. If you have any questions regarding exporting, importing, collection, or anything about collection or Postman in general, please feel free to write a comment under this video, and do check out our other Postman videos. Thank you very much for watching.